Hello and welcome to another video where today I'm going to show you how to give your bot a status. With this we can just sort of make the bot seem a bit more lively and a bit more, give it more personality. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the bot play something, or make it look like it's playing something. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our code and we're going to end the code, because I've just left this running since messing around with it. So we need to change our bot status as one of the first thing it does, before it has the option to run any other code. So where we're going to do this is right here at client.event, when the bot first powers on. Underneath async def on ready, we're going to put a new line, and we're going to do await bot client dot change presence, open up our first lot of brackets, there we go, and then we're going to, in here we're going to do activity equals discord, and then we're going to do dot game, going to have to be with capital G. Then we're going to open up brackets, we're going to do name equals speech marks, and then we're going to write a name that we want our bot to be playing. So let's do Minecraft. Make sure we spell it right. Let's save this and now let's run this. Okay, there we go. We can just open this up. You may find it takes a second to change, it might not, but then you can see it's playing Minecraft. That's all cool and all, but let's make it do something else. Let's make our bots look like it's idle. This is something we can do as well, with really not much extra work. What we're going to do is, in here, just before activity, we're going to do status. There we go. So put space in beforehand. Status equals discord dot status. There we go. And now dot idle. And then we can put a dash and save it. And then let's rerun this code. Now you might find that this changes a bit, so currently it's online. This may take 1 or 2 minutes before it changes to be idle, so I'm just going to wait a bit. Okay, so it was about 3, maybe 4 minutes, and you can see it's changed to be idle. Other things you can do is you can do all the normal status that people have, so like online. There you go, yep, you can be online, or you can make it look offline, or invisible. So you can just do any status that you would want there, and it should just work. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Other things, all of the code for this bot, as it's being currently updated, will be on the GitHub, so feel free to come take a look at that. There might also be next week's code there, if you're interested, depends if I've got round to uploading it. There is also the Discord server where you can test out the bot as it's being developed and updated. And yeah, just take a look. Hope you enjoy, and I hope I will see you again soon in some of my videos. Thank you for watching. See you. Goodbye. Bye.